What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. You join me here in Germany, Baden-Baden to be more specific. And Baden-Baden is a town pretty much situated in the Black Forest. And in this video, myself, Richard in the Giulia Quadrifoglio who's in front, Steve in the C63S, and me in the A45 AMG are going to be hooning around some of these roads, with our end destination being Spa in Belgium. Already, I'm sure as you can see, this town is absolutely stunning. These cars, the gearbox temperature definitely takes a while to warm up, so now we've done that, we can hoon it a bit. Right, so now we've hit the Black Forest National Park run and flip, oh my word. Please tell me you're seeing what I'm seeing on the mountain. Oh, look at this. The noise on the upshifts, man, it gets me every time. I'm sorry. I should really just stop the Borat voice, but I just can't. This is actually a main road. Flipping hell, what a wicked main road this is. But there's some amazing twisties here, which is insane. And it just gives me a good chance to really feel what the handling is like on the A45. And there isn't much roll on it, which is wicked. It kind of feels like I can chuck it around and it's mega. In fact, let's pull over because you need to have a look at this. I mean, wow, look at that. Look how high we are. That is madness. Serious heights. All right, I think we've built up a bit of a gap again. I reckon if you go, you can beat him. Holy smokes. We're high. We are high. And I think everyone watching this will get it. So some people might be like, why have you driven all this way for a driving road? And it's not just about the driving road, it's more about the experience. I mean, I don't go out much, I don't spend money on drink and all that. This is my pleasure. Like, driving is a bit of me. And right now I'm in my element and I love it. I absolutely love it. And the car is just giving it. Oh, hello. The Giulia's going, but we're not far behind. So, quick cheeky pit stop. You can see the cars all lined up behind us. We've just come from all the way up there. And my word, the views are insane, unbelievably good. But look at Steve's C63S, man. This is just such a beast. It is absolutely bonkers. What a car. What a car. And the Giulia is also looking good. Oh, hello. Yeah, I'm having a blast with this thing, man. What a whip. I'm really pleased how the trip's going so far. Really pleased. So we've still got a hefty drive to Spa now, where I think we're going to do a bit of Autobahn. So I'll definitely try and get the GoPros on that once we get on the Autobahn, because it will be good to see what this is like. Well, we know what it's like. It's going to get to 155 mile an hour pretty quickly and stop, but it should still be good fun. So yeah, Germany, hello. You guys have got insane roads and beautiful buildings and amazing scenery. Honestly, this is stunning. But I guess I might as well take a moment to just quickly talk about what this car's been like with regards to fuel. I'll do a proper summary of the road trip at the end when we're done. So from London to Baden-Baden, which is, in fact I'll tell you because I've got a trip monitor, it's about 700 kilometers, so what's that, about 500 miles? I did that on a tank and a quarter, which isn't too bad, seeing as we were putting our foot down a little bit. This little trip just here has been about 100 kilometers, so what's that, 60 miles? And I've been belting it, and I've already burnt a quarter tank. Granted, I've been in Sport Plus and manual, flicking between the two for the entire time. So if you ever want to get an A45, like I said, Shell loyalty card is your friend, because when you drive them properly, because you do want to drive them properly, they are juicy. Particularly when you want to hear the noise. I mean, okay, so now we're stuck in traffic, I'm bored. So now I'm just gonna rave. Hit up my Spanish and English tune. Let's mix it up. Have we got anything Italian? I know you guys are watching this going, what is wrong with this guy? Like, why have I subscribed to him? What is the point? Your guess is as good as mine. Guy behind me the guy behind me is like, what's going on? Sorry bro, traffic in the Germany. Oh my god, what have I done? I've lost it. Sorry. Sounds sick. That's the Giulia. How loud is the Giulia? And the well, I think we're going to get kicked out of Germany. It's like we've just started another war. Oh no, I need to get in front of you, mate. Sorry, bro. As you can probably tell by this point, guys, I've completely lost the plot. So I'm just entertaining you guys by being a bit of a tool. Look at that. Whoever's house that is,
Germany must listen to Power Rock.
Have made it in life. Look at that. So there are elements of this which are de-restricted. So we're on the Autobahn, people. So I don't know how much of the dash you guys can see, so I will read it out to you as we go. Here we go. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, and there it is. Oh, 160 even. Wow. And now there's traffic. So we'll put the anchors on a bit. Flipping out. 160 mile an hour. And that was casual, man. That was absolutely casual. It didn't feel like 160. I promise you that. Let's go again. We've made it. Here we are in Spa, and pretty familiar place. It's the same Airbnb that we rented out last year, except a completely different lineup of cars. Last year we had the Evora 400, the C63, and the Abarth 595. This year, completely different story, but it's been absolutely mental. What a mega drive down. Lovely, absolutely stunning. Loving life right now here in Spa with the boys, and not a bad little garage we've got going on. So yeah, guys, I'm going to end today's video here, so that we got to now go to Spa to watch the race tomorrow with 360 Racing, which we were qualifying tomorrow Saturday, and then we got the race on Sunday. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Lots of driving. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and of course I'm going to see you all very soon on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.